A computer is a wonderful machine. It is very useful and commonly used by different people at different places in our daily life. It is useful for various kinds of jobs. Let us study the use of computers in different areas of our life. In schools, for teaching various subjects, for helping students in drawing, calculation, learning spelling and grammar, preparing notices, for making results and keeping fee records, keeping students' and teachers' details, for fee calculation and making timetable, for keeping record of books in the library. In banks, to maintain customers' accounts, to transfer money from one account to another, at ATM counters, to give information about accounts, at home, listening to music, playing games, solving puzzles, watching films and cartoons, online shopping and bill payments, learning tables, calculations and other lessons, gathering information on any topic, sending emails, booking tickets for movies or travel, storing information, letter writing and making voice or video calls. In offices, to keep records of employees, to maintain salary, leaves and other accounts, to write official letters, print or email them, to communicate with people around the world. Email is electronic mail. In hospitals, to help in medical tests for knowing about the diseases of patients, to maintain records of patients, to keep information about doctors, to prepare bills. In shops, to keep lists and prices of items in the shop, to make and print bills, to keep records of daily sales. In transport, to help in booking tickets of aeroplanes, railways and roadways, to process information about arrival and departure timings of trains, aeroplanes, etc., to maintain traffic signals of railways, roadways and airways. In police department, to keep records of criminals, to match the images and fingerprints for identifying criminals through use of special software. In defense services, to keep the records of all defense equipments, to find the exact location of an enemy, to plan defense activities. In publishing and designing, for making books, magazines and newspapers, etc. For designing greeting cards, posters, wedding cards and visiting cards, etc. For designing buildings, houses and fabrics, etc. In sports, to display scores and results of matches as shown on TV. To maintain the electronic scoreboard for displaying update of the game. For entertainment, for making cartoon films and creating lovable characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, etc. To create special effects with graphics. To create special sound effects. To edit sound and video.